The MP, or multi-purpose tray, is found at the front of the printer. The MP tray allows your printer to use more paper types and more sizes than the cassette tray. For example, cardstocks or labels, or envelopes. Caution: special paper, such as labels and envelopes, may need special settings in the machine. Refer to the PA2100 printer operation guide, the appendix, and special paper for additional information. Open the MP tray by pulling down on this latch. Slide the top tray out. You can adjust the paper size by sliding the paper width guides to paper sizes inscribed in the tray. Insert the paper print side up along the paper width guides until it stops. If the paper type is something other than plain paper, you must set the paper type in the menu. This will ensure the highest quality of prints. On the display screen, press the menu key. Use the arrows to scroll up or down and select paper settings. Press the right arrow key. Scroll through the list and highlight MP tray size and press the OK key. A flashing question mark should appear. Scroll through the list using the up or down arrow key to find the correct size of paper, and then press on OK. Scroll through the list and locate MP tray type in the menu. Press the OK key. Scroll through the menu and find the type of paper that has been inserted into the MP tray. Press the OK key to select. Press the menu key to exit.